Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we peek behind the curtain of corporate filings and uncover the real stories hidden within. Today we're diving into the TJX Companies report for August 2025. And let's just say there might be a few surprises, so try not to spill your popcorn. Alright, so what we have here is a current report, basically a snapshot of what's happening right now with TJX. Think of it as a quick update for investors and anyone curious about how this retail giant is doing. The main event is that TJX put out a press release on August 20th of 2025, and this release talks about how they did in the fiscal quarter that ended August 2nd, 2025. So we're talking about their recent performance, how they sold stuff and made money in that period. Now, TJX is a big name. You probably know them from stores like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. Their stock, which is what people buy and sell on the stock market, is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol TJX. This tells us they're a major player in the public eye and their performance really matters to a lot of people. This part of the filing is all about the company's financial health and how much money they made or spent. It's like checking the vital signs of the business. They're giving us the latest numbers, which is usually the most interesting part for anyone following the company. The actual juicy details are in that press release they mentioned. This report is just telling us that the information is available and essentially it includes the financial results for the quarter. So while this filing itself is a bit dry, it points us to where the real action is in that press release. Think of this document as the table of contents for the company's latest financial story. The TJX Companies Inc. is the entity we're looking at. Incorporated in Delaware, they've been around for a while and have carved out a significant niche in the retail world, particularly with their off-price model. This means they buy brand name merchandise at lower prices and then sell it to customers at a discount. It's a strategy that usually does well when people are looking for value, especially in uncertain economic times. And signing off on this report, we have John Klinger, their Chief Financial Officer. This is the person responsible for the company's financial statements and overall fiscal strategy. His signature means this report has been reviewed and approved at the highest financial level within the company. Now, let's get to what really matters, the money. While this 8K filing primarily points to an attached press release for the detailed financial results, it signals that TJX is sharing its performance for the fiscal quarter ending August 22nd. Shoppers who are keen to find quality products without breaking the bank. This is particularly relevant in times when consumers are more budget conscious. So what is my take on TJX based on this filing? Well, this report acts as a confirmation that TJX is actively communicating its financial performance, which is a good sign for transparency. The fact that they're releasing these results, even on a current report basis, shows they're keeping the market informed. The success of their off-price model, known for offering brand name merchandise at a discount, usually thrives when consumers are looking for value, a trend that seems likely to continue. Their ability to consistently source good products at good prices and get them into stores quickly is key, and the market will be watching closely to see if they're hitting their targets. This means looking at how their sales are growing compared to last year and if their profits are increasing. If they are, it suggests they're managing their costs well and that their customers are responding positively to their merchandise selection and value proposition. Alright, that's our quick decode of the TJX Company's latest filing. What's your take on these results and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives into the corporate world. Don't forget to check out our Discord community for more discussions, linked in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.